Alright, so what's going on?
You from Florida, right?
You what?
You from Florida, right?
Yeah.
But you guys know that like disrespecting people and then pointing guns at people's faces and you know? You guys know that, like you guys know that, right?
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
Huh?
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
Well, I used to have it.
Spray. Stop kicking the windows, you're gonna get sprayed.
Great.
Florida, a bar, a gun. Pay attention to what he says next. Staff refused him service, he left. Then he came back armed. Officers drew weapons. The gun was secured. Then came the interview.
Drop the gun! I got him at gunpoint. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Step away from the gun! On the ground, now! Bro, I got the gun from him. Can't get this magazine out of here.
Bro, because the guy threatened me, bro.
Who did? What's going on?
So somebody I went hired to get a drink over here.
Roll over on your side.
Huh?
Roll over on your side.
You got anything else on you? No, sir. My guns is literally like licensed to me, bro, and everything. For sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so what's going on?
So, sorry. I'm very upset right now, man. 'Cause you know how you from Florida, right?
You what?
You from Florida, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys from Florida, right? You guys know that like disrespecting people and then pointing guns at people's faces and shit like that, you know? You guys know that, like you guys know that, right? So I literally had a drink over at my car is literally parked over at what is it? Deck
Quarter deck.
huh?
Quarter deck?
Sorry?
Quarter deck?
Yes. So I was literally over there. I had food, dinner, and everything, bro. Had a great time. I come over here and I literally wanted to order a drink, and a guy literally started spazzing and swinging at me. Literally started swinging at me, and he started coming running at me. So I left. I went to my car.
Who came swinging at you?
Bro, how am I gonna find out after all this? Like, how am I gonna find out, bro? Like, after all this, like, he literally came swinging at me, bro.
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
Huh?
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
Well, I used to have it. I mean, you can look me up and everything like that, bro. Cause
do you have any ID?
I have an ID, yes. My car is literally.
Alright, so someone threatened you at the quarter deck?
Not in quarter deck. When I came over here running up, because I asked the people in quarter deck, I'm like, is it okay if I can just leave my car here because I'm not safe to drive? I didn't want to drive, you know. I had a couple drinks, so I didn't want to drive. They're like, yeah, you can literally leave your car here overnight as long as you come the next day, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You will not be responsible for it, or whatever the case may be. I was like, all right, cool. You know? And I came over here, bro, and then these people start threatening me, man.
Who started threatening you?
Where are they? They're not here, bro.
How are they threatening you?
They're not here, man. Like, how you gonna expect with all these cops, bro? They all left already.
How are they threatening you? I'm trying to figure out, you gonna talk to me or no?
No, bro, I'm trying to look through the freaking people so I can tell you something.
How were they threatening you?
That's what I'm trying to tell you, bro. I'm trying to show you the people that was threatening me. But
tell me. You don't have to show me. I want you to tell me how they were threatening you.
Well, first off, they took a swing at me.
You have a weapon?
Yeah, he's gonna come over and start doing it.
First off, I took...
So, here. So, when I walked up, he was standing here in the roadway walking away.
Okay.
He was walking this way. He had the gun in his right hand, basically walking around like this.
Okay.
But I never... Papa, hold on, before you finish, I never pointed at nobody.
Did I say that?
Exactly. I'm very aware how to hold a gun, bro. That's why I got a gun out here, bro.
He said that he was parked over...
Talking about witnesses, man. There's a couple people here that seen that shit, bro. There's plenty of people. That guy was acting up, bro.
So
that guy was acting up. He was drunk already. The guy that was challenging me, bro.
How was he challenging you?
Bro, I asked a couple people over there. I can't tell you because I don't see the guy, man.
But listen to me. If someone's challenging
I can't tell you that somebody's challenging me if I don't see the man, bro.
So then why did you feel the need to get your gun and walk around with the gun in your hand?
Because he said, I'll be right here. I'm like, all right, say less. He swinged at me, And I'm like, you know what?
He
Say
swung
less.
at you?
Yeah, he swung at me, bro.
Where
and they
did-
came
where
at
did-
me, and they came at me,
Okay,
man.
that's what I'm trying to find out. How did he come at you?
All right, so if those people had cameras right there, the full menu, happy hour, late night, whatever, what's that place called? Pink,
It's Blondie's.
whatever the shit name is, but with all respect, they should see that shit right there, bro.
So, what?
Like,
how
I didn't bring my gun out. I went to my car and went and got
Wait,
my gun, bro.
wait.
Which I am literally licensed and registered to get my gun if I feel threatened.
Okay, but you don't have a concealed weapons net currently.
Right now, yes, I know. I'm still waiting for it.
Okay, so you don't have a concealed weapons currently. All right. How did this all start?
Bro, I was here having a couple drinks. Like I said, well, my car is parked up at Garden, what's it called? Garden or right here.
Quarter deck.
Quarter deck, whatever it is. Yes, quarter deck. I was there since 5 o'clock. I'm literally sitting down right here. You can literally ask the bartender. She came in at 5 o'clock. I was there since 5 o'clock, bro. She came in 6 o'clock. And I literally had drinks there.
What's going on with him tonight?
He's just drunk.
Yeah. Did he get into it with somebody or just decide to pull his
Yeah,
gun
he
out?
got into it. Every time he drinks, he gets into everybody. Just like right now.
Yeah.
He just gets into everybody once he drinks.
Anything in particular set him off tonight?
Anger.
Just anger issues? Okay.
Cocoa Puffs,
What do you look like? What do Cocoa Puffs look like?
Haitian American, bro. Black, all right?
What was he wearing?
Black, bro. I can't remember though.
Did you get?
But he was black, bro.
Give him no idea.
Yeah.
All I know he was black. I came over here, bro, and that man's literally. I started changing some words with him, and then he thought that I was trying to get like all gangster or
All right,
whatever.
stop right there. Why did you start engaging in words with this guy?
Because he swung at me, and then I left.
Why did he swing at you?
Because I started exchanging words with him.
Why did you start exchanging words with him?
Because he started fucking cursing me out, just like me having a normal conversation. All of a sudden, started
So he just started cursing you out of nowhere?
and then he started threatening me. Yes, and I'm like, all right, cool. And he's like, I'll be right here.
How was he threatening you?
With words, my friend.
In Florida, carrying a concealed firearm without a valid license is a third-degree felony, up to 5 years, per charge. He told the officer himself in the first 60 seconds. The officer asked once, "Do you have a concealed weapons permit?" The answer ended the self-defense argument before it started. Florida law also criminalizes carrying a firearm while under the influence of alcohol. That is a separate charge, same night, and the threat that justified all of this. He said it himself. Words. Florida's self-defense standard requires imminent physical force, not words. He refused commands inside the patrol vehicle. OC spray was deployed. Carrying a concealed firearm without a valid license, third-degree felony. Carrying while intoxicated, a potential second charge. 2 counts, 1 night.
With words.
What was he saying?
And I'm like,
There's a video.
there's a video. Thank you. Can I see it? Can I see it?
Take it.
Can I see it?
This is him walking out, and that's when he pulls the gun.
Sit down. Me, so I'm like, so what's up? We in Florida, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's how he was feeling when I walked out.
Apartment guy.
Hanging up on the collar, the mother is
Yeah, right? Right? Hey, homie.
Carlisle.
Like,
Black female, red bag.
so, hey. So you are a police officer.
Yeah, we gotta put him in the car now.
But you're not a police department officer, whatever.
For the physical person, she should be. Alpha 158.
You guys didn't take him out. Stop moving your hands, bro. Then, like, how am I supposed to know, bro? Like, I tell you, like, jeez, how am I supposed to know you're telling me to move or not move, bro?
Cool if I go get your ID?
No, I don't like you going in my car and going and getting my ID.
Okay.
Spray.
Stop kicking the windows, you're gonna get sprayed.
Spray.
You understand me?
Spray.
Stop kicking the windows.
Spray. Spray that. Spray that.
Stop kicking the...
Go ahead, spray that shit. Spray that shit. I don't give a fuck, bro. I want to use the fucking bat and I asked you about this shit already.
Stop kicking the car.
You want to tell me?
Stop kicking the windows with your...
Bro, what the fuck you want me to fuck do? What the fuck you
I
mean?
want you to calm down.
The fuck you
Yo,
mean, bro?
you spit on me. I'm gonna spray you again.
Bro, you sprayed the fuck you wanted to do, bro, but I can't fucking breathe. How the fuck you want me to fucking do
You're
it,
breathing
bro?
perfectly fine by talking and
Yeah,
screaming.
because you fucking had the fucking door you see my fucking nose leaking, bro? You fucking see my fucking nose leaking, nigga? The fuck you mean, bro? I wanna fuck you the fuck.
Officers get an A. Immediate firearm control, methodical interview, no unnecessary escalation. Under Graham versus Connor, officers are judged on the totality of circumstances in the moment, not hindsight. Every call here holds up. They let him talk. He did the rest. The subject gets an F. Intoxicated, no valid permit, armed in public, returned to confront someone who threatened him with words. Florida law does not recognize verbal threats as justification to carry a concealed firearm without a license. He had the right to remain silent. He spent 20 minutes explaining exactly why he picked up that gun. The lesson here: self-defense is a legal standard, not a personal judgment call. Carrying requires a license. Silence requires choosing to use it. Subscribe for bodycam footage where suspects don't see the camera coming every week. What should his sentence be? Drop it in the comments.